Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this 7835-16-1003 monitor display panel compatible with Komatsu PC300-7E0, PC300LC, 7E0, PC350-7E0, PC350LC, 7E0, PC400-7E0, PC450-7E0, and PC450LC, 7E0 excavators. The link is in the description. Today we're looking at a piece of equipment that might not get the spotlight, but it's absolutely vital for keeping heavy machinery operating at its best. This display panel is one of those parts that ensures your machine is running efficiently, safely, and without interruptions. Modern Komatsu excavators rely heavily on the display panel for monitoring essential functions. This is where operators check fuel levels, engine performance, hydraulic pressures, and receive alerts or error codes. A malfunctioning monitor can slow down work or even cause downtime, which can be costly. That's why a reliable replacement panel like this one is so important for anyone who depends on their excavator for daily operations. Right from the moment you handle it, the panel feels solid and built to last. The construction is sturdy, connectors are secure, and it matches the original specifications of Komatsu machines perfectly. That means there's no need to modify or adapt wiring, no guesswork, and no risk of compatibility issues. For anyone managing heavy equipment, that kind of fit and function reliability saves time and prevents unnecessary frustration. The display quality on this panel is impressive. The screen is bright and clear, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight on the job site. Operators can easily read data from different angles without straining, which is critical for safety and accuracy. Navigation is smooth, menus are responsive, and all information is presented clearly, so operators can make decisions confidently and quickly. Performance-wise, responsiveness is key. Older or damaged panels can lag or misinterpret inputs, which can lead to mistakes. This monitor responds quickly to commands, providing instant feedback for every selection. That kind of precision reduces human error and keeps work flowing efficiently, even during long shifts. Durability is another standout feature. Excavators operate in challenging environments with dirt, dust, vibrations, and temperature fluctuations. This panel is designed to withstand those conditions. Reinforced casing, sealed electronics, and sturdy connectors help prevent damage and extend the panel's lifespan. For anyone relying on Komatsu excavators daily, that durability translates to fewer interruptions and less downtime. This replacement panel is ideal for restoring older machines, refurbishing equipment, or simply upgrading a worn-out display. Installing it is straightforward. Remove the old panel, disconnect the harness, mount the new panel, reconnect everything, and power it up. No special tools or complicated steps are required. Once installed, it provides all the information operators need to run their machines efficiently and safely. From a practical perspective, this panel delivers peace of mind. Accurate monitoring allows operators to spot potential mechanical issues before they become serious, preventing costly repairs and improving overall safety. It's a small but critical component that has a major impact on the reliability of the excavator. Whether you're replacing a broken display, upgrading a machine for resale, or keeping a fleet running smoothly, this monitor panel offers clear visuals, fast response, and reliable construction. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants to maximize productivity and minimize interruptions. If you're ready to upgrade or replace your Komatsu monitor, check the link in the description. This 7835-16-1003 panel delivers quality, reliability, and performance, helping your equipment operate at peak efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.